Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the 3 biggest mistakes that I see sales teams make. And actually, we work with a lot of sales teams at my company, from small companies with 2 salespeople all the way up to Fortune 500s. And the mistakes happen across all types of companies. So the 3 mistakes I see, the first one is not calling leads. It sounds strange, but a lot of companies will not call all of the leads that are received from their websites. So when someone enters their information, whether they be a business or a consumer, a third of the time, companies just don't call them back. And obviously from a consumer or business's perspective, if they've taken the time to put their information online, it means that they want to call back. So that's the first mistake that I see a lot. The second one that I see is not calling leads quickly enough. And so the obvious question here is, what is quickly enough? And actually it's really fast. When someone puts their information online and they ask for you to call them back, the optimal response time is within 2 minutes. If you call that lead within 2 minutes of them entering their information online, you stand a 391% better chance of converting that lead than the average lead. So it makes a huge impact. The third one that I see is salespeople not being persistent enough. So the average lead receives 1.7 calls based on our research. The actual optimal number of calls to make on average is 6. So within 6 calls, if you make 6 contact attempts to a lead that's entered their information online, you are much more likely to get hold of them, but they won't feel like they're being harassed. If you take it more than 10 times, then people start to feel like you're hounding them. So you don't want to go over the top. So it's all about being appropriately persistent. And so our research has shown that time and again, if companies just avoid these 3 mistakes, then their conversion on leads goes up considerably and they're much more successful.